What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeff, if you don't know, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. I do marketing here for the guys at Aerodynamics, and I am very privileged to be able to drive this sick WRX. Today we have a lot of stuff going on. We are gonna put on our carbon fiber steering wheel. I'm gonna show you guys how to put that on. We are doing the turn signal LED lights, and then I'm gonna show you a sneak peek of our fender flares. Very excited for that. So yeah, we're gonna head to the freeway right now, get some rollers for you guys, because the weather is beautiful today. Well, not right now, but it's gonna get pretty cloudy later. And then me and Jerry, the cameraman, if you don't know.
You do now.
And if you don't know, now you know. We're gonna head to get some Chipotle because we are starving. And then we have a customer that just pulled up at the shop, brand new GT. So we're gonna see what's cooking over there. But as always, enjoy these B-rolls coming up, and I will catch you guys in a bit after we get some lunch. Okay, bye. So guys, we just finished lunch, and as we're pulling in, customer just pulled in right now. I think this is the cleanest ice silver I've seen in my life, dead ass. Like all the ice silver I've seen, I mean not all of them, but I would say the top 2 of my favorite ones. All STI factory options, STI cherry lip. You got the LED, look at this. Damn, Jerry, should we get that? Look, LED on the side, remember? Yeah, you got the OEM sport grill, got the OEM side skirts. Dude, OEM STI forge, dude, this is sick. Sick. And you got the rear spats, diffuser, the exhaust shroud, the duckbill, vortex. Dude, this guy had everything and peaked the S4 badge. I think it's pretty sick. Wow. This is definitely you don't see every day, you know? Versus ours is like a OEM spec'd out. And oh, by the way, he's here for the axle back. For those been waiting for the axle back, we're finally here. My goodness. I'm very excited to see what he does next with the car. I'll talk to the owner for a little bit. He's gonna do some engine mods next, so damn, but Jesus, I think this looks freaking crazy. What do you think, Jerry?
Our WRX looks better.
That's messed up. No, it looks good. I think, you know, side-by-side comparison real quick. I mean, this looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Like this, with everything like this, with the rear bumper cladding, I think looks good. I still think the fenders might need to be color match. I think that's it. The rear bumper has this. All right, guys, so what I don't, okay, the only thing I don't complain, but I'm just saying, you know, like, the gloss black here and this, you know, there's too much color going on, you know. But we offer this too. If you guys want to get this color match like ours, gloss black, I think it look sexy. But yeah, let's continue to our install right now. So pretty. I can't wait. Here, let me just, before I even start, man, let's just put a comparison. I have literally no carbon in this car at all. All right, guys, here's the before the steering wheel. So pretty much we're gonna transfer 1, 2, 3, 4 units over onto this. Shouldn't be too hard, but I have make sure this. Yeah, shouldn't be too hard, but let's get started. All right, guys. Step 1: get a flathead, put it behind the emblem, pry that open. Just kidding. Don't do that, guys. Okay. Step 1: pop the hood. You need to disconnect your battery. So we need a 10mm, and we'll go ahead and grab a 10mm. So grab a 10mm. Okay. Disconnect your positive side of the battery. All right, guys, so we use tape, so make sure they don't touch, okay? All right, next step, we're gonna hop into the car. This is
just gonna fucking prank every time.
No. It's probably gotta be.
I'm a jump scare there.
We gotta be professional. Make sure all the battery is gone. Okay, so I'm gonna step on the brakes. Test everything out. Make sure there's no more juice, okay? You don't want anything powering on, okay?
Yeah, try starting the car.
It's not gonna work, bro. Okay, guys.
Watch it start.
So I know it's kind of dark, so I'm gonna do our best. So behind here, the steering column, there's 3 little like 1, 2, and 3 holes. Okay, it's like a triangle. So you poke in there, feel the little spring. All right, guys. So this took us legit like 10 minutes. Me and Jerry was struggling. So okay, so to do this properly, you put your screwdriver in on the sides, and you just what do you do, Jerry?
You just literally push it in.
You push it in. Don't pull up. Don't pull it down like we did. We just push it in.
It's a spring. You just push it and it'll
push it and it'll come out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the airbag back and disconnect the 3 clips right there. So I'm gonna show you with the orange, the black, and then the ground. Okay, so Jerry's gonna go ahead and and then you can pull under.
Okay.
All right, guys. Once that, you use a flathead under here. Choose a bigger flathead. Okay. After you get these 2 connections, you get the ground. Well, I don't think you use a screwdriver for the ground, bro. Just pull on it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, and then airbag's off.
All right, guys, the airbag is officially off. That took longer than we expected, but Jerry's sweating balls right now, but it's all good. The next step is disconnecting the white clip in the middle, okay, which is like the main power source right there. Disconnect that, and then you're gonna go ahead and this is very important, guys. You gotta unscrew this first, okay? Grab a 17 millimeter. I'm gonna hold the steering wheel, help him out.
I don't want to punch the camera, right?
Oh, there you go.
Okay. There you go. So you don't unscrew it all the way. Ah, it's stuck.
Jerry just failed you. Here, let me try it, bro. Let me try it. Here, hold the camera. Hold the camera. This is why you gotta go gym, guys. You know? Jerry can barely lift 10 pounds. Oh, so after you loosen the nut, the center, you're gonna make sure it pops out of the column, okay?
Hold it by the middle. No, by the middle.
Where?
No, right here.
I can't. No, the grip.
No, but you have to hold it there.
Oh, got it, guys.
No. You hold the.
What did I pull?
You pulled the. What is it? This thing.
Really?
Yeah. You moved the whole thing.
Damn.
Oh.
Get out of here, Jerry. I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty hard. Yeah. I feel like all my 10 years of gym training finally paid off today. All right, so after you done that, you're gonna go ahead and take the nut off, right?
Yeah.
Make sure the cable's not hitting it.
Yeah, this thing. Yeah.
All right, guys, I gotta slide through the 2 yellow connecting cables out of here. Got here? Hold on.
Oh.
We survived! All right, so the next part's a little easier. I guess this is the hardest part because, you know, not messing with alignment and stuff. Okay, so.
Drive like this.
Yeah, you know what? Let me put my fork here and drive like that. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and transfer all the parts over. But then let's go over there to our table. There's gonna be 2 screws here, okay? Phillips and 1 right here. We're gonna disconnect all 3 first. And by the way, the reason we're doing this because Kevin at Elite Wraps is super busy, and we decided me and Jerry are gonna take this challenge today, and then we're probably never gonna do this ever again.
Yeah, maybe for the launcher.
Yeah, maybe for the launcher, you know?
Since we did it already.
Yeah. But it's not too hard. It's a little scary to be honest because of the airbag, you know. But after a while, it's not too bad. So I got the 2 screws out. We'll go ahead and get the 3rd one in here. So I don't know if you can see right here. This one is actually for the connectors in the back right here. So let's go ahead and disconnect that. Okay, so 3 screws. And now the next step, we're gonna take the back cover off. So here, make it easier. Okay, I lift it up a little bit for you. Okay.
Oh.
I'm gonna get a flathead just to help us out because it's a little easier. Jerry, go ahead. I lifted it. one more on the bottom. Okay. Yeah. So once you pop that off, carefully take the back piece off. Careful for the cables. All right, guys. So this wire is hooked out in here. So disconnect that. This whole piece will come off. And the next pieces are these right here. So, oops. Go ahead and take these two Phillips screws out. It's gonna be a whole connector piece just like that. You see me? You saw me on camera? Okay. One this side and one the other side. Oh. Well, so we did break one of these tabs right here. So that's my bad.
Yeah, that's what happens when you go too much gain.
Yeah, so it's go too much gain. So unfortunately, we broke one little clip. Just be careful. Next, we're gonna transfer everything over. Just get a comparison. Steering wheel, Jerry will bring it in. So this top half is carbon fiber. The groove right here, there you put your hand is a little deeper. So you know when you're driving on a track or on the canyons, it's a little bit better grip in my opinion. A lot thicker overall size. Everything else is pretty much the same. The bottom is D-shape as well. And yeah, so let's go ahead and transfer everything back. So we'll start off with what we took off in order. So let's put these in first. No food.
No, look at it. Volume is up.
Are you sure?
Yeah, like everything's.
So simply just slap those two in right there. Go from the back, get your screw. Even though I broke one clip, it should be okay. So as I'm doing this, I'm pushing the bottom of the buttons up and then tie at the same time, okay? Like I said, I broke the tab earlier, but it should be fine. As I tighten, it forces itself up into the groove and it should be good. The next step is gonna be this piece right here. There's 3 grooves over here, just like the plugs for the spots. So go ahead, just line it up.
Slowly going in.
Yep.
Oh, there you go.
Gotta be, yep, okay. Got that in, so.
Good already.
As you can tell, it looks a lot better already from the stock one. The next step is this part, the back end cover. Okay. So this part,
For this, the cable.
just hook it in, right? All right, guys. Make sure there's no cables hitting the back cover as you put it on. Okay, and then the next step, this one. You need to connect your purple connection right here. This one's kind of a tight fit, so yeah. Double check the connectors, okay? That's that, and then that's pretty much it.
Screws.
Yeah, oh, just kidding. So after you put the the purple connector in, go ahead and go to the back. As you can see, me and Jerry put back the one screw here that connects to the purple connector to the frame, and then 2 in the back. And the next is going back to the car. Wow, as you can see, it looks super good already. Damn, I feel like a race car driver. Now, this part is very crucial, guys, okay? Putting it back. First, you gotta loop the 2 connectors over without adjusting this too much, okay? Without touching the back end.
Not spinning.
Yeah, we cannot spin it. So I'm gonna loop that over. Okay. At the same time, put it in. Make sure the gears line up with the teeth on the steering wheel. So once it's in, I'm gonna go ahead, get my nut. All right, guys, next step is holding the steering wheel straight and torquing it down to 34 foot-pounds of torque. Oh. All right, guys, 1 click is all you need. Okay. After doing so, the next step is very important, is the airbag. I'm gonna have Jerry hop on this because I don't wanna die. As we were putting everything back, we forgot to transfer these 3 white plastic clips plus the pins. So without those, you cannot put the airbag back on. So we're trying to force the airbag on. As you can see, it did not work at all. So let's take everything off and make sure to put these back in. So, you know, it's our first time doing it together. So, okay, the next step is putting back everything again. So we'll go ahead and, like that?
Yep.
Make sure everything's back. Line it up. And just like that. Oh, we're officially done, guys. Not yet. We're gonna put the battery back in, make sure the car don't blow up. All right, Jay, you want to sit here? I'm gonna go ahead and get my 10mm. Moment of truth. Our blue tape.
Ooh, fire.
Smoky. Okay, make sure everything's tight. battery cover. And we are officially done with the steering wheel. So I'm gonna test real quick. Jerry, you wanna press the horn? All right, guys, it's confirmed that it works.
Oh, you got it?
See if it works.
Oh yeah, it works. Yeah.
All right, guys, this is the next day. Time to put the lights on yesterday. So here we are today. We're gonna do the turn signal LEDs, but I don't know if this is gonna work, to be honest. So yeah, we already plugged it in. As you can see, it's like pretty goddamn bright. So we're gonna put that away right now. And then I just don't know how it's gonna fit into the housing because of this. So we don't even know how we're gonna make this work, to be honest. So, but anyways, all right, guys, it's raining heavily today, and then okay, I'm gonna pop these. Dude, I don't know, Jared. I think it's not gonna work. I'm not sure, but I'm sure. So first, take this piece off.
It's so much easier.
No, that's on the inside, bro. And next thing, you gotta take the intake off because it's kind of blocking it. So yeah, I don't think there's any easier way to do this. So that's one bolt there. Okay, and then the second bolt in the back is a really tight spot. I might even need a longer extension. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna need a longer extension. All right, guys, as you can see, our light bulbs failed. So if you want to purchase turn signals, you have to get the one that has the grooves on it, so you can just directly plug it in. But this won't work, unfortunately. So it's okay. We'll get new ones later and show you guys another time. Before we go, I want to show you guys a new product that we just slapped on our WRX. It's the cherry red mirror caps. These are full replacements, just like the ones we have for the carbon fiber, but non-carbon fiber. They'll be available in this red and also in the gloss black as well. So for those that don't want a carbon fiber, you can opt for this option as well. In my opinion, red looks good, you know, but I like the carbon fiber, but that is my opinion. But yeah, these are available on the website now. You can check the link below. It's freezing, and me and Jerry are gonna go do some donuts on the WRX. We can get some reels for you guys to follow us. We got some of the Duckbills in already. So for those that ordered early for the V3 Duckbills, you know, you're in luck because we have some already shipped out already, so already gone out. But as you see here, we have a GT, brand new, customers in for a full rear bumper color match, fender color match, and I believe the trunk trim color match. So we just slap on the V3 Duckbill color match to show you guys what it looks like. I think it looks pretty sick. I didn't bolt it on yet, guys, okay? I just me laying it on top. So as you can see, it's not really bolted on. It bolted on look like that. As you can see, it looks super sick. Get your pre-orders in for the V3s because they're coming in around end of April, like hundreds of them. And we pre-sold a bunch of them already, so. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoy the steering wheel install and our failed light bulb install. But it's Friday. We're gonna go have some fun and enjoy the SoCal weather, and I will see you guys next week.